Yo, what is going on, guys? BVF Collection back at it again with another unboxing, unwrapping. You know, we got a little bit of both in this house. Today we got ourselves a couple pieces, as you guys can see. We got ourselves a new drop Despair hoodie. We got ourselves a Stokely hoodie from his tour. Then we got a Revenges for 2. Very excited for this one. XXL OG 2017. And then we got ourselves a very rare, very exclusive, very loose, very awesome black and white Kill hoodie. We're going to open it up in this order. Since I'm going to do the Despair hoodie first, the newest drop. It is going to be, we're going to stop the video a little bit just so I can take a picture of it dead stock, and then we'll get into opening it. But without further ado, let's open at least the packaging. Hope you guys are doing well today. I've been anticipating this. First I got the Stokely hoodie, waited a couple days, got this, waited another day, got this, waited another day, and then I got this. And I was like, let's do a big opening instead of just one by one. All right, this is taking too long. Give me a second. All right, back. And voila, bag is opened. I've been having that happen a lot recently. And we got Despair hoodie, black. Pretty cool. Nothing on the back, but yeah. I'm gonna end the film here, or the video here, just for a little bit. I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. And just like that, we are back. Went ahead, take those pictures, and yeah, without further ado, let's open up the Despair hoodie. Fun fact, this is not my hoodie. This is actually my friend's. He wanted me to cop it for him though, because he wasn't able to do the drop live. So yeah, I bought this for him. Not mine, it's his. Not open a Ziploc bag one hand, that is sad. Holy guacamole. All right, anyways. Looks like it's pre-distressed already. Okay. Actually, a little bit, kind of. Yeah, kind of. I don't know, hard to tell. We got ourselves the extra large tag. The new tags. Let's go ahead and open it up. Give me a second. Oh, boom. Okay. Pretty freaking spicy. A little bit of residue or something right there. This is the one part I really like, the sleeves. The sleeve text looks really cool. Not text, but sleeve print. Let's go ahead and, hold on, flatten them out for you guys so you guys can see. Give me a moment's notice. You guys can see in about 5, 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. So these are the sleeves. Pretty freaking cool looking. The online pictures kind of make it look more colorful and vibrant. These kind of look more dull color-wise. Not a big fan of the pre-distress. I'd rather have it just happen naturally, you know what I mean? And the color there should be matching there, in my opinion. But yeah. This is the French Terry hoodies that they're using, for the X drop and whatnot. Got the tag. In Vietnam. Yada yada. Let's go ahead, check out this tag real quick, and then we'll go to the back. Pretty cool. Check out that back skull design or whatever. Okay, not too shabby. Again, pre-distressed, screen print or whatever. It's kind of cool looking. Not my vibe, but hey, not too shabby, I guess, right? As long as he's happy. You know what I'm saying? All right, well, thanks for seeing that, guys. Off to the next piece. I'll put that up there. Next, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Stokely hoodie. Not to get confused with the Stokely Tour hoodie, that Revenge drop. Fun fact, I got this from the Salvation Army. I don't know freaking how they got a hold of it, but saw this on eBay, snagged it. No one else bid on it. Got it for like 20 bucks. Freaking steal of a deal. Let's check it out. Anything left in there? Nope, nothing in there. Oh, would you look at that? Got a nice little bag for it. I'll take it. I believe this is an extra large as well. Let's go check out the front real quick. Yeah, Stokely. Nothing on the sleeves. Got drawstrings. This looks like screen print. Feels like screen print. Let's go ahead and check out the tag. Yeah, it looks Stokely XL. Ooh. Still soft. That's fire. Main reason why I bought this though is because of this right here. Freaking love this back design. This is fire. And then, what's it called? He has a tat on his, obviously right here in real life. So they put it in the hoodie here. I think it's really cool. Reminds me of X. Freaking gonna be an awesome unboxing because right here, the Revenge for 2 is the same thing basically, like the side profile of X. So it's gonna be really cool having a side-by-side right now. Hope you guys stay tuned for that. Yeah, I just thought this was cool. Let's go ahead and just put it over here, like that. Yeah. All right, time to do the actual unboxing. The Revenge is for 2. Double XL, pretty minty, supposedly. Only like very minor stains or something like that. Anyways, this fun fact about this piece, I got this from someone that has been to X concerts, multiple X concerts, recorded multiple footage or multiple videos of X at his concerts, obviously. Taking pictures with X multiple times. This guy's been listening to X since like 2016 or something like that. A lot of pictures with him and X, freaking a lot of footage with freaking from his YouTube channel about X. Like if you guys look up the like one of the last live performances he did, he was like it was like a blue looking stage. It was like a really small looking blue thing. He recorded all that footage basically. This is the guy that I bought it from basically. I think it's a really cool story where this hoodie's come from. What a guy. What a freaking guy folding it like this. What a freaking guy. That's awesome. So this is supposed to be puff print. Very flat, but puff print nonetheless. Just was a little red stain right there. Let's go ahead and open it up, this bad boy. Let's go check out the tag. We got ourselves a double XL, baby. Let's go. Oh, it's still soft on the inside. That's hype. That is freaking awesome. See if it has the tag over here. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, because these are, I forgot. This is a Gildan. Yeah, no metal eyelets. Yeah, this is a Gildan blank. Forgot about that. I don't have a double XL Gildan, so this is going to be freaking fun to wear. But without further ado, let's check out and compare the back. Let's freaking do this. Let's go. Ooh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. So peep. Oh, I see what he's talking about. So this is the little red dye dot that he's talking about. Very minor. You can't even tell. This thing is minty. Look at that. You got both the homies side profile just chilling. They both got a little bit of red, you know? That's so cool. I think this is so freaking cool that I did this like this. Like, you know, unboxed it, whatever. Oh, I like it a lot. This is really nice. Even though it's puff print, it's really flat, but can't complain. This one, compared to the 2024 new one, is a lot more detailed. Shouts out Nebby Gallery on Instagram. He freaking did a comparison video. I think I might do one as well, but you know, who knows. He did a comparison and showed that there is so much more detail on this version compared to the 2024 drop. So I thought that was fun, worth noting. Anyways, let's go ahead and plop this off to the side as well and get into the last but not least, the 2024 freaking black and white kill hoodie. The only way you could have gotten this hoodie, one of two ways. One, reseller, how I did it. Or two, you had to be in the LA pop-up line for the 24X pop-up drop or whatever. You had to be in line and not get inside. Basically, you would have had to wait all day or whatever, or however long you were there. And only the people that were in the line that couldn't get in got like an iPad and put their email in, and they were sent special links to get this. All they had to do was pay shipping, and it's a very rare freaking, no one has it. I believe probably less than, I'm gonna say 100 out there. Like, I don't think 100 plus people were in that line. Maybe around there. But very limited compared to anything else that has been dropped from the new X drop. So without further ado, let's get it ripped open. Give me a moment, I'm gonna rip this open. Oh yeah, I forgot he didn't have the bag. I tried to ask for the bag, but he couldn't find it. No worries though. All right, it's ripped open. Let's go ahead and just do one of these. A bloom, a boom, a boom, boom, boom. Holy crap, it's getting cracked. I gotta save it. I gotta save the hoodie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, wow. Jeez. Okay. That is puffy. Wow, the black and white kill hoodie, guys. Check it out. Looks like it wasn't baked properly because it is cracking like crazy already. Not a lot of dirt going on it. The pictures itself showed a lot more, but wow. Yeah, this thing feels very puffy. I don't think it's baked properly. I think it should be a little more flat. We got the tag, extra large video. Oh yeah, it's really soft on the inside, but let's check out that freaking kill hand, guys. Oh my god. Holy crap, it's freaking cracked already. But hey, for the price I paid, I cannot beat it. Oh, also, huge shout out to freaking Nebby. I don't know if you guys know him. You guys should know him if you're in this community. He freaking sent me the link for this. Without him, wouldn't have gotten it. Fun little story for you too, guys. This I purchased. Guy refunded me because he didn't realize it was worth more and had someone else message him. And then he posted it and I bought it again and he was like, dang, I guess you really want it. And then he was like, I guess it's yours now for sure. And then, yeah, that's how I got it. Oh, dog barking in the background. But yeah, without further ado, this is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Let's check out the tag. Yeah, we got a tag under there. But yeah, this is very nice. Very happy with this whole unboxing video. 10+ minutes. This could get monetized if I was monetizing or whatever. Too bad it's not. Yeah, dog barking in the background still. But yeah, I think this is very cool. Very cool. All this, very cool. Without further ado, though, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.